The working video of the woodworking machinery, laminating machine TM2480A. Let's start the timer together after press the button. Let's see how much time this machine takes to complete the laminating process. The work table entering the working chamber, and the laminating process has begun. This is the PLC control panel, where you can see the working pressure and temperature for the processing on the screen. Okay, now in about 2 minutes, the laminating process is complete. The work table automatically rechecks. Let's take a look together at the processing results. Lamination is in place, the grooves are clear, and the wood grain is distinct. What a beautiful cabinet door panel. Next, let's take a look together at the showcase of other products processed by this equipment. They are using their hands to inspect whether the PVC film has been applied properly. Of course, the answer is yes, it's in place. Beautiful. This is the lamination of the veneer for the door. Editing videos can be quite challenging. Finally, here's my business card. Feel free to contact me for equipment inquiries. Thanks for watching.